Hello everybody, this is Caitlin again for another awesome story in science with the Twinsburg Library. And today we're going to be something really cool. We are going to talk about light. And we're going to do a science experiment that's super easy, but really cool. So let's get started. We're going to read this book called All About Light by Lisa Trumbauer. And we want to thank Scholastic for letting us use it today. Let's see, all about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy. Energy makes things happen. The sun gives off light. Fire gives off light. That's my favorite kind of light. What happens when the sun goes down? It gets dark outside, you're right. Long ago, people lit up their homes with candles, which is fire. But today, people use electricity to light their homes. Electricity is another type of energy. Light bulbs have wires in them. These wires glow when electricity runs through them. Well, these are old forms of light bulbs that would have all the wires. We've got new ones that are LEDs. Light moves very fast. Turn on a lamp. Right away, the room fills with light. Light moves in a straight line. Turn on a flashlight. The beam of light is straight. Light can bounce. Shine a flashlight at a mirror. The beam of light bounces off the mirror and it shines in a different direction. You see it goes down this way and then it bounces like a ball and goes back that way. You can try that experiment too if you get a mirror around. The moon looks bright at night, but the moon gives off no light of its own. So the moon acts like a mirror. The moon is dark and rocky. The sun's light bounces off the moon. This makes the moon look bright. When the moon is big and bright, we can see in the dark night. But the light isn't from the moon, it's from the sun. Light can bend. Put a straw in a glass of water. Now let that straw tip to the side. What will happen? What do you guys think? You guys can pause the video and do this very same experiment if you have a straw on you. Let's see. Look at that! The straw looks broken. Light bends as it goes through the water. The bending light makes the straw look broken. Guys see it? Goes whoop, breaks, and goes that way. It's pretty cool. Sunlight is made of many different colors of light. Sunlight splits into these different colors when it passes through raindrops. This is how rainbows are made. Light cannot go through everything. Shadows form when light is blocked. Light makes shadows. Light makes color. Light makes things brighter. Turn on the lights. The end. Light is really cool. You guys ready to learn a little bit more about light? Let's do it. We're going to do our experiment. And for this experiment, all you need is a big dish of water. You can use a glass. It just won't work as well. But if you have like a big casserole dish or anything that's big and clear, it would work great. So you just need to fill it with water and then dissolve some soap in it. Now it's great use for these little nubbins of soap and it'll make it look nice and cloudy just like this. Now this is making what we call our atmosphere. So that's the air really high up in the sky, has all kinds of particles floating around it, and that's what our soap is going to be today. And then you also need a white light. So you don't want to use an old flashlight that kind of comes off yellow. You want to use something like LEDs that have a really bright white light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off my lights. It's going to get dark in here. Perfect. And I'm going to take my light and I'm going to show you why the sky is blue and then also why it turns yellow at night. You guys ready? Let's see. When the sun is right overhead in the sky, what color is the sky? Blue. So let's take our sun. We're going to shine it on there. Look at that. It's hard to see in the video, but it is pretty blue. You'll see it when you do this experiment at home. If I raise it up, you can see it. It has a bluish tint to it. But what's going to happen if I take my sun and I make it set over to the side? What color is the sky now? It's yellow. So the particles in the water are breaking up the light just like a rainbow, but instead of getting all the colors, it's at the right angle that you can make it yellow or orange or pink or whatever crazy colors the sky is. And that's why clouds turn all kinds of colors in sunset and sunrise, because there's more particles, so it can break up the light more easily. Look at that. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. What do you guys think? Pretty cool? I hope you guys have a chance to do that at home, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!